friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and it has been the most amazing month. Am I right? I know. We just had an amazing month, especially at the Stamps of Life. Well, I kind of thought there could be a chance, because we're all so busy and we just had such a great month, that there could be a chance you might have missed something that we released this month at the Stamps of Life. So I thought, wouldn't it be great to have a quick little video to show you some of the awesome things that we have? And guess what? They're still available on the website, so you can get them anytime. Are you ready? Get set, let's go. The first thing is our club set was our cute little s'mores. Now that little s'mores stamp was probably one of our most popular club sets that we've ever done, just because it's so much fun. And if you buy the add-on with those fun little faces, imagine all of the options. You have the cute little bunny ears, you have the little bear ears, the little faces with the fun little cheeks, so many different options for those s'mores, and I absolutely love each and every one. I loved it. Now, with the s'mores, we also released a different size marshmallow with chocolate, and we released the campfire folded and that fun starry background die. So if you missed out on any of those, now is your chance to pick those up. Now, we also released our gorgeous lighthouse folded. Now, as I know, and you know, everyone loves the foldeds, also known as shaped cards. This will fit in a standard A2 size envelope, and it's a lighthouse, which is so fun. We also released our words, "You are incredible," which is so fun because sometimes you just want to say, like, that could be a thank you card, that could be a congratulations card, that could be just an everyday, hey, thanks for being my friend card, anything you want. Somebody gets a promotion at work or gets hired at a new job, you are incredible. How fun would it be to get those words from someone that you especially love? We also released a baby bottle slimline folded that makes shakers. I know, I absolutely love this one. This one was born in my mind because one day I wanted a baby card that was going to be opened at the party, and I needed to kind of shine a little bit, right? Because, you know, I do make cards for a living. So I needed it to be extra special. And so I designed this one. Luckily, I already had the everything in hand, so I could make it because I had the prototype dies. And imagine someone opening this when they're opening their gifts. You were going to be the talk of the town, right? I know, it's so awesome. We also released a fun A1 sized box, which is really great. You can do a lot of different things with it. You can put A1 size cards in it if you want to. You can also put little goodies in it if you want to as well. So it opens like this. This one has, this one had some little tea in it. You could put anything you want in these fun little boxes. And the best part is they do fit A1 size cards. We also released, because I took this on HSN, these layering dies. I took these on HSN for the layering slimline dies, and by popular demand, they are now finally on the Stamps of Life website. They sold out really, really quick on HSN, and so now's your chance to pick those up. It's a double duty pack. Then we released, also seen on HSN, my cupcake card. Now I love the cupcake shaped card because this is kind of, in the beginning when I first worked at the other company, I came out with a cupcake shaped card. This one's totally different than that one, but this one was on HSN. So check your stash before you get it, but definitely get it because you know what? It comes with free epoxy dots. You can't beat that. Free, free, free. You gotta love that, right? We also came out with a fun tropical drink, fold it, which is fun, and a slimline surfboard. Perfect summer cards to send, right? Hey, it's summer. Let's celebrate, right? I love it. Now, also by popular demand, we finally, poor Liam, we finally released the Little Peeps Liam. Miller was released a long time ago, and somehow Liam just didn't. Well, now's his chance. Now's his turn to shine. Cute little Liam. We also added to our website 11 pairs of Little Peep shoes. Dies. So easy, so fast. Run it through your die cut machine and boom, now you have shoes for all your cute little peeps. So fun. Last but certainly not least, we also released a new pack of 3D inks. Love those muted colors. They're so gorgeous, so stunning. and some fun pens that are glitter pens from Crafter's Companion Spectrum Noir. Two different versions. We have the Vibrant, I'm sorry, wait a minute, here we go. Vibrant Florals or Neon Lights. Technically, you kind of need both because they're different colors in each one. And boy, do they make your projects pop with all that fun glitter. Now, go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. All of these items have videos on their introduction videos, so you can go see them up close and more personal. And you know what? If you missed out on them, get them now. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.